What is up, guys? It's about 80, 85 degrees out here in South Louisiana. We're about to take the little bike out for a rip. See how she's running. I did a couple changes to her since the last video. Here she is in all her glory. If you follow on Instagram, you already saw, but we did an all red front end. Put some sissy bar mounts on there so I don't bend my bars. Some new grips. We did a Turkeynek Industries phone mount. I can do a full tutorial video on how to install this. It's pretty complex. Yeah. Got the handbrake a little dialed. The orange rim is still killing me. I try to make my bike as close to like a race bike as possible. Like growing up riding dirt bikes and stuff, I just like the less stuff on the bar. Like even this is kind of aggravating me. But like the big light in the front, like it's all really race bike. We also got the GoPro mounted on the new helmet. I'm waiting on some parts to come in from some GoPro mounts to come in from Hong Kong. They take forever to come in, so this helmet has like a little vent on the back here, so you can't really mount a GoPro, so I just duct tape the thing. It's solid as hell, it's not going anywhere. But we're gonna try that out. But anyway, guys, we'll catch y'all on the helmet cam. That you could read about. Oh. Fifth gear. Gear. Oh God, this bike is an animal. Third row. Fourth. Oh, I felt it. I felt it. I felt it.
said the cops are over there?
Yeah, on the other side.
Yeah, I saw them.
See them?
Yeah, I passed by. I've been ducking them and dodging them all day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good on that.
I'm alright. You living here?
How is that?
450?
450? My brother lives right there.
Who?
Josh?
Josh? I've been living in here my whole life.
You know Josh?
Josh who?
Hahn. He's got a bike.
Josh Hahn.
He lives by Jen's Scarborough.
Oh, Jennifer's my first cousin. Yeah, Josh, her fiance. Yeah. I didn't know who you were talking about. Yeah. Tell him you saw Max riding.
Alright.
I live right behind him.
Oh.
Jennifer's my first cousin. Yeah. Alright, bro, take it easy, man. That's the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed and want to see more. Even though YouTube, it doesn't really matter now, you can just watch the video and it'll pop up. Feel free to turn on the notification thing. Should be posting a little more from here on out. One other thing, I'm going 99.985% sure I'll be at the spring break ride in Dallas this year. Hopefully doing circle wheelies. I'm getting pretty close. Hopefully the next few lot practice days, whatever, I should be doing circles. I don't know, I can't stand to sit there for longer than like 15 minutes trying to do a circle wheelie, because like after a little while you just feel like you're not progressing, so I just leave and come back the next day. But every time I ride, I'll do a little circle wheelie practice, and you know, eventually we'll get there. And I just need to, it's not that I need to learn how to do circles, I just need to get a lot more comfortable with the handbrake. I'm still not super duper confident in it. I'm really confident in my foot brake, but my handbrake just, I don't know, it just takes a little time. I've been doing foot brake for like 3 years now, and the handbrake's just really foreign. It's first nature to me. But we're getting there. It's a lot of fun doing something new. And yeah, guys, anyway, y'all have a good one. Take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.